welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be having this S20 Plus, Samsung S20 Plus unboxing. I know it's a little bit late, but we shall just open. Okay, so here you have it. You have this, just put it aside. So we have our phone over here. Okay, this is the color. Okay, so we'll just put this aside first, and we'll come to the accessories. And for the accessories, it'll be like usual. You have your cable for charging, and you have your charger. Okay, so for this, right, it will be a fast charging. Okay, super fast charging. And also you have this AKG earpiece. Okay, so now let's come to our phone. So we'll just go through the basic. Okay, I'm not going to connect to any Wi-Fi later. I'm going to switch my data later on. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite pretty. Okay, so this is the cosmic gray, which I got it. So for the camera wise, okay, there's different modes for you to use. You have the ultra wide, the normal, and the zoom in. So for the S20 Plus, right, we have this different camera. Okay, and for the front camera we have over here. Okay, this will be a 10 megapixels, and for the rear camera, the one on top will be a 12 megapixels ultra wide camera. The middle one will be 12 megapixels wide angle camera, and the below one will be 64 megapixels telephoto camera. And this two over here, this will be the depth vision camera. Okay, so we can go to the settings. You can go to display. There's different mode setting. Okay, your dark mode. Okay, one thing I would like to touch on is on the motion smoothness. Okay, whereby you can have a higher refresh rate. Okay, maybe on the camera itself you won't be able to see it, but it's actually much better. Okay, it's not as heavy as it seems. Okay, and it's pretty nice to me. It looks pretty nice. Okay, and also one thing that I think I missed out is over here they have a free casing as well. Okay, they have a free casing. So I think nowadays all the phone manufacturer, they do give out free casing. Okay, for the previous phone that I'm using is the Huawei P20 Pro. I could say it's still Android phone, And also it has been quite some time since I used the Samsung, because I think my last Samsung that I used was the Note 5. It was quite old. Okay, so some of the things that we go through over here is that, okay, these are our basic settings. Okay, pull up. Okay, will be all your menu over here. You got your Play Store, all your apps is over here. Okay, so let us just test the video gameplay. The video playback. Okay, let me just connect to my Wi-Fi first. Okay, so after connecting my Wi-Fi, okay, let's go to YouTube. We shall see how the picture quality is. I don't know whether you all can hear the video, but the sound quality is good enough. Let's try another video. Personally, I think the video quality is good. So overall, I could say that I pretty like this phone. It's quite handy. It fits just well in my head, and the sound quality is good enough for me. And also the display. Okay, I like this type of big display. Okay, but because previously Samsung they released those slicker, slimmer, okay, it's narrow, which I actually did not really like it. That's why I hopped over to Huawei. But now that the Samsung has come out phone like this with a bigger screen, which is not as narrow as the previous one, I could say I use this phone for quite some time. Okay. Okay, let's talk more about the specs of the phone. Okay, for the processor, we have is the octa-core. It's 2.73 GHz, 2.5 GHz, and 2 GHz. For the display itself, okay, it will be a 169.5mm, which is 6.7 full inch, 6.7 full inch rectangle, and also 165.4mm, which is 6.5 inch rounded corners. Okay, and the max resolution is 3200 times 1440. It's a Quad HD Plus, and for the display itself is dynamic AMOLED 2 times. Okay, the color depth will be 16 megapixels. Okay, for the camera, which I have highlighted on, okay, will be 10 megapixels. Okay. And for the back, we have 12 megapixels ultra wide. The middle one will be 12 megapixels wide angle camera, and also on the last one will be 64 megapixels telephoto camera. These two will be depth vision camera. Okay. And also for the memory will be 8 gig, okay, for the RAM size, and the ROM size will be 128. The available memory, okay, is actually 128, but due to the OS they have inside, it becomes 104. Okay, and for the external memory, it can support up to 1 terabyte, which is a micro SD. Okay. connectivity wise, we have the USB. Okay, USB over here, USB Type C. Okay. And also for the battery life itself, for this is a 4500 milliampere. Okay, so it is quite big for the battery capacity. It is good for people like me who actually plays a lot of games on the phone. Okay, I have not done any video on the mobile gaming, but I will do it with this new phone. Okay, there's quite a few games which I want to share with everyone on the mobile, and also if I could, I will record and put it in my other videos moving forward. So this will be a simple unboxing video and my first very unboxing video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if I can, I will do more unboxing video in the future. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.